It's nice to see you
Okay,
today.
30 to 6, can you please arrange your chairs properly? Okay, once you're done, you can now sit down. Okay, kaya wala yung kumain. Okay, how are you today? Okay, very nice. Okay, dala ba kayong matuto at i-continue ang ating lesson?
Yes.
Okay. Before we continue our lesson yesterday, um, those students at the company, please fill out the vacancies. Mga tawag sa absent ba nila? So before we begin continue our lesson yesterday, let us recap, short recap. So what was our lesson yesterday? Must you share? Okay, what is combination? Right. Arrangement of an object wherein the arrangement is not necessary or does not matter. What else? Okay, what is the difference between combination and permutation? Others people find how do combination differ from permutation? Again, what is permutation? Please raise your hand. Yes. Therefore, what is the difference between combination and permutation? Okay, that is correct. Now, who can remember our can I erase this?
Yes.
Can remember the formula and for combinations? Again, what is the formula and combinations? What's to write on the board? Aside from yes, can you please write the formula? Okay, remember last time I give you the assignment. Okay. Do you have your assignments? Okay, so later I'll answer that and I will ask the I will choose one student to answer that. Okay, but before that, let us we end up our lesson with this question. Do you remember our activity yesterday about Minilota? Okay, we identified our given that we have. What is the value of n again? In our Minilota? And what is our value of r? 6. So now we have the formula. Let's have let's replace the variable with its corresponding value. Okay, what is the value of n? Is n factorial. 6 factorial and r factorial. So most of you are parang naguluhan dito kahapon, right? Kasi parang ginawa kong cancellation dito kahapon. So ang ginawa kahapon, that is the shortcut way. So this time, gawin muna natin yung long method na nakasanayin before sa permutation. And then I present to you the another method. Okay? So let's evaluate the parentheses. We have copy the numerator we have 4 factorial. So 6 factorial. We have 6 factorial. Okay, observe. What is the greatest number in the denominator that has a factorial? 56. we know that 10 factorial, if expand, no? Okay, so again, we know method. If expand 10 factorial. It's, and then it expand the denominator, we have 4, 2, and 1. And then the 6 factorial, 6. Okay, nasundan ko ba dito? Part dito nasundan. Okay, we expand lang yung numerator and then the denominator. So observe, what have you noticed in the numerator and the denominator? What is the common? 42, aside from that? Very good. We have from 6 down to 1. And also we have the denominator that is 6 down to 1. So we need to cancel or cross out. So you're left with the numerator we have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. How about the denominator? We have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, nasundan po ba? Kung bakit nakapunta dito tayo sa solution na to? Okay. So sa inyong long method solution, ang ginagawa natin usually ay minumultiply natin ang ating numerator, each number. Okay, what is 10 times 9? Yung use your calculator. That is 90 times 8 times 7. That is 1,040. How about the denominator? 4 times 3 times 2, 24. So, now, what is 5,040 divided by 24? Okay, we have 210. Therefore, we have 210 arrangements of 6-digit number. Okay, you understand, class? That is in a long method. Okay? Now, let me present to you another way of solution that I did yesterday. Okay. Let's have, again, we have 10 factorial, that's the value of 10. And then 10 minus 6 factorial times 6 factorial, that's the value of our variables. Then, evaluate, we have 10 factorial and 4 factorial. 6 factorial. Okay. Class, rise to the board. Do not. For a while. Okay, observe. What is the greatest number denominator that has factorial? 6. We know that if we expand 10 factorial, that will result to that. Okay? So that is 10 times 9 down to 1. You understand? Now, we know that 10 factorial can be can be expanded as 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. Because if we expand 6 factorial down to 1, it will also result to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Right? You understand, class? And then expand 4 factorial. And copy the 6 factorial. Okay. Observe, what is the common in the numerator and the denominator? 6 factorial. Because if we expand again 6 factorial, it will also down to 1. Okay, do you understand, class? So, we end up in the 6 factorial. So we can cancel now 6 factorial. Now, take a look at how many numbers we have in the numerator. 4. How about the denominator? 4. Okay. In that case, we can easily divide each number. Okay? Now, as you can see, 10 divided 4, that is divisible by 2. Okay, if we divide 10 divided 2, that is 1. So we are left with 5. Because we divide 10 by 2. So we have 5. How about 4? 2. So we have now the denominator 2. Okay, how about this area? 9 divided 3. Okay, you can cancel 3 and we are left with 3. So we have 3. How about this area? 8 divided 2. 4. So we can cancel 2 and we have 4. Now, how about 7 divided 1? What is 7 divided 1? That is 7. Now, take a look at this class. What is the number that is divisible by 2? Okay, saan nga po nanggaling ang 2? Okay, 4 divided by 2. Okay, take a look at the number class in the numerator. What is the number that can be divided by 2? 4. Okay, now we can cancel 2 and we are left with 2. Now for our equation, we are left with what numbers? 5, 3, times 2 times 7. Okay, now, to get the final answer, what is 5 times 3? Times 2 times 7. That is 210. So, nag-arrive ba tayo sa same answer? Yes. This is another way of solution. Okay? Therefore, we have, for conclusion, we have 210 arrangements of 6-digit numbers. Okay? Do you understand, class? Okay. And we now move to our exam number 1, which is your assignment. Okay. Do you have any questions? Okay, which solution do you prefer to use? The long method or the short method? Okay, that's in your preference. So, both of them are both accepted as long as you arrive at the same answer. Okay. Now, do you have your assignments? Okay. Can I ask someone to please solve or determine the answer for number 1? Can I erase this one? Are you clear with the formula? Okay, can I erase this? You. Now, once we determine the number of combinations for our number 1, okay, before that, okay. All girls, can you please read the problem number 1? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
How many ways are there to choose a team of 3 students from a group of 10?
Okay, that is your assignment. So who wants to volunteer to determine the number of ways of the word using our formula and the given? Okay. For that, let's identify first what are the given. Okay, what is the value of n? 10. What is the value of r? It is 3. Now, using our formula and combinations, we can now identify or determine the number of combinations. Yes, so once to determine the number, right? Okay. Your classmate asking. Okay, your classmate is asking, sir, yung denominator ba ay laging dapat malaking number at bago siya i-cancel? Take a look at this class. We know that if we expand 10 factorial, it will also have the 6 factorial, okay? And we also have 6 factorial, and that is the greatest number in the denominator. So, in this case, we can cancel the 6 factorial. In that case, yes, okay? So, always look for the greatest number in the denominator so that you can easily cancel in the denominator. Okay? Nakaintindihan mo ba sa rule? Diba? Can you explain your answer in front of your class? Okay, listen class. May I have your attention please? Okay, can you please explain your answer? Listen class. Is correct. So do you have, so she did this short method. Do you have the long method? Or same answer? You got the same answer. Okay. Always class. Okay. Notice that please align your division bar to that equal sign. Okay. Okay. So 120 is correct. Okay. Now let's have. So do you have any questions? About example number 2. Okay, all boys, can you please read the problem number 2? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
A box contains 4 green marbles, 7 orange marbles, 8 violet marbles. How many ways can 2 green marbles, 3 orange marbles, and 4 violet marbles can be chosen?
Okay, we are given an object that is called marbles. So can I use this one? Okay, so in this problem, we are given an object that is a marbles, and that marbles contains 3 different colors. Namely, we have, for our given, how many green marbles we have?
4.
4. How many orange we have?
7.
And violet marbles.
8.
8. Okay. Our task is to choose from the 4 green marbles. Choose how many?
2.
These 2. And for orange,
3.
3. For 8 or violet, these 4. Now in this case, we have 3 different solutions. Okay. We are tasked to find the total number of the marbles in the box. Okay? So to find that, what we need to do is to add. Yes, solve each and then after getting the combinations of 8 color marbles, you need to what? Add what else? Decide. What we need to do after we get the combinations of 8 color marbles? Find the total number of marbles in a box. That is to multiply. Okay? We need to get first the combination of green marbles and then 7 orange marbles and the 8 marbles. After that, we need to get the product of each marbles. Okay, in this case, I need 3 volunteers to answer on the board. Would like to determine the first marbles, first color marbles. Okay, stop. Okay, in green marbles, what is the value of n? What is the value of n in green marbles? 4. What is the value of r? It is 2. How about in orange marbles? What is the value of n? Is 7. What about value of r? Is 3. And our violet marbles, and I erase this one. Okay, our violet marbles, what is the value of n? Staff, what is the value of n? 8. How about the r? 4. It is 4. Now, using our formula and combinations, can we now determine the number of each color marbles? Okay, this time I will need 3 volunteers to answer on the board. Who would like to determine or please answer the 3 marbles. How about others? Okay, from boys. Would like to determine. Questions? Any questions? Naiintindihan po ba? Okay, so who wants to determine the number of combinations for orange marbles? Okay. How about in violet marbles? Can you sure calculate po? Okay, for those who are not answering on the board, can you please solve it in your notebook? I will check that. After your solution, don't forget to write your conclusion. Agree. Question? I would like to have silent on that your last week. Give your answers. Now, questions. Okay. Angela, can you please read? I will please explain your answers. Okay, class. Please listen and take a look at the Angela's answer.
So, sinapicture ko lang po yung sa encounter sa art of sa art. Tapos, so yung ginanong ko aking since kung po yung highest dito sa denominator so after nun po, in-expand ko po yung sa mga since pwede pa po visible po sila by so divide po po yung parts at divide po ng students together.
Your conclusion.
Therefore, there are 6 ways to speak.
Okay, that is correct. So you got the same answer with Angela. Very good. Now, how about the orange marbles? Can you please explain the answer number 8? Eight. Last, eyes on the board. Please listen to your classmate.
So yung ginawa ko, substitute ko yung total number of marbles. So ginawa ko substitute ko yung total number of orange marbles, 7, taken 3 at a time sa equation. So ginawa ko 7 factorial over 7 minus 3 factorial multiply 17 factorial. Sabay, i-cancel out ko na yung 3 factorial. Sabay, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 with this 840 over 24 is equal to 38.
Is right. Now for your conclusion.
Therefore, there are 35 ways to choose for each purpose.
Okay, that is correct. Give your classmates for other class. And do you have the same answer? How about for our violet marbles? Beside them, like to explain. Okay, class listen and look at your classmate answer. Okay, do you have the same answer with Pizaida? Yes. Okay, with Pizaida are available to us. Okay, again, class, remember, this aligns again your division symbol to our sign. Okay? Don't forget that. Okay. Do you have any questions? Clarifications? So, are we clear with the solutions? Now, do you think we determine the total number of marbles in the box? Okay. Each box, okay. It's color. But the total number of marbles in a box. Okay, what we need to do to get the total number, okay, multiply, can you please do the to get the total number of marbles in a box? What we need to do is to multiply each combinations. Okay, can you please do that? Okay, you want to use your calculator also? Now, do you get the same answer? Okay, there are 14,700 marbles that can be choosing. Okay, questions? Any clarifications or questions? Naintindihan po ba? Okay. Okay, so look at this. So we have 6, that is correct. And then 35 ways to choose 3 orange marbles. And 70 ways, that is correct also. And we have 14,700 ways to choose 2 green marbles, 3 orange marbles, and 4 violet marbles from box. Okay. Okay, so since we have a little bit of time, so let me announce to you your performance. Okay, so in this lesson, magkakaroon po tayo ng performance task that you need to perform next week. Okay, sir, ano po yung performance task na ito? Okay, you need to create a mini skit or mini role play that depicts or illustrates combinations in real life situations. Okay? Naiintindihan po ba? For example, ako, namimili ako for example, sa Nobo, namimili ako ng damit. Ilang damit ang pipiliin ko na gusto kong isuot sa pagsimba ko. And then, yung number ng damit na pipiliin ko, yun ang isusunod ko sa harap. Okay? But before you solve that, you need to present your role play. Okay? So, this time, let's group the class into 4 groups. So, let's count. Okay, so for those absents, yung last number na lang ng mabibilang natin na kaya. Okay? Okay, let's count. Okay, sunod na muna class. Ano sa purposes ba? Okay, last time. Okay, sige, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, ilan po ang absent sa ating ngayon? Ano po yung last number? 4. So, doon sa absent, ay count na lang siya. Last number natin is 4. So, mawala sa kanila ay that is 1. Okay, ilan pong absent? Okay, ilan pong absent sa ating ngayon? Okay, so ano lang po bahala, ang last number po natin is 4. Okay? So, group 1, please stand. Group 1. Okay, yan po ang inyong mga kasama, okay? Isip na po agad tayo ng situation na kung saan ang administrative combinations in real life. Okay? Take note yung mga nasa right. About group 2, please all stand. Okay, yan po ang inyong mga kasama. About group 3, thank you. Yan, okay? Ilis na po ang inyong mga kasama. Group 4. Okay, so that, thank you for now. So that your performance will be therefore next week or Tuesday. Okay? So, may questions po ba? Questions? Clarifications? Are we clear with our lesson today? Okay, naintindihan po ba kung paano po i-solve? Using our formula? Okay. So, since we have enough time, ay, okay nga pala. Ang dami ko na ano sa inyo. Ibutin ko na dito. Ayan. Okay. Ready ko muna yung sumagot kanina. Tigil ka muna. Yung mga sumagot sa mga. So, kung wala, dito meron din mga pagkain, hati-hati na lang tayo na. Dako. Pili ko yung mga pagkain na siya pa rin na yung mga ano. Hati-hati na sa pagkain siya pa rin, sir. Ay, bakit na rin? Sino pa gusto ng folder? Kaya mabalik ko. Hindi ko alam kung may harapin ko dito. Ayan ako. Sige. Ayan na, paano ba yan? Ano na lang dito? Kailangan mo daw mag-support. Ano na lang, ipagkain na naman doon sa mga sige naman. Okay, class, don't forget your performance task ha. Just listen. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Don't forget your performance task. Okay, is that clear, class? Okay. That concludes our lesson today. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Sir John. Goodbye, teacher. See you again next time. Have a nice day. Thank you for teaching us. God bless you. And we love you so.
Okay, class, listen naman. Doon po sa group is natin yung unassign your leader. Okay, listen mo na class. Doon po sa leader, na po ang magsulat ng mga participation ng ating class ng mga group case. Okay? So kung hindi lang participate, typically, zero na agad yun. Okay? There's excuse, like for interview. Balik mo lang sa mga group case. No comment. Script? So, mas better na may ano sa wala sa script. Kasi next week pa na pero may ano pa na Tuesday. Ano ba? Okay, yung performance sa inyo, hindi kayo mag-bear ng questions, ha? Pwede sa inyo. Okay? Ay, kaya na-best party ninyo? Wednesday? Di ba natin? Invited ba ka? Entrance? Umabot sa atin kasi namin. Hindi ko malaman kayo. Bagay sa akin. Okay na ba? Pag matanda ka na. Kung nga. Hirap lang ako ng teacher. Oo nga yun, sabi ko nga pag matanda na siya, mag-umagal mo. Nakakikit? Oo. Imaga ko ba tayo?
Kuha ka ng tape!
Sino po ba hindi?
Ito, dito. Nakalimutan mo nila yung kanina na. Taong! Speaker! May ilang tag na ako. Hindi, gusto ko rin ito.
Priority para sa
Ako na ba yun?
Uy, kaninong cellphone to?
Wala sa mga teacher niya.
Naka-video pa iyo la.
Nakalimutan nila.
I-post ko na ba?
Nakalimutan niyo po niyo, sir. Sir, yung phone niyo, sir.
I-post ko na ba? Wag.
Mag-vlog ka, mag-vlog.
Kanino?
Ay, sir.
Ha? Ay,
Sir, yung phone niyo.
Bye! Mag-bye kayo.
Bye.